In this video, you will learn how to light a green screen properly, avoid common mistakes, and make sure the shot is ready for easy keying. Hi, I'm Muhammad Jawdat. I have been in video production for about 15 years, especially in post-production. I have tried countless different green screen setups. Some have worked, some didn't. And today I'll teach you everything I've learned for professional grade keying. First, ensure your green screen is as smooth as possible. Any wrinkles or waves will make the keying harder later. You can clip the green screen as we have done here now. As you can see, we have 4 clips at the top, and stretch the green screen cloth as far as possible to make the surface here smooth. Position the camera and the stand directly facing the green screen, and we need to turn off the room light completely to then add our lights later on. For now, we have turned on this NaN light just to give us a good base, and this is at full brightness. Don't add any more lights until you do this on your camera. First, you need to use the manual setting on your camera to maintain consistency. And in this case, we are using the Sony a7S Mark III for our project. And this is the most important part. On your camera, go to settings and turn on zebra display. If you don't know where this option is on your camera, go check out the manual. But for this case, it's in settings, exposure control, and then turn on zebra display. And keep it about 90 for this one. This should be good. As you can see, this shows us where the green screen is lit or not. This feature tells us to add more light here and here to have one evenly lit green screen. And for this case, what we have done is put 2 lights, one here and here. And when we raise the brightness on this one, as you can see it on the camera that the zebra moves. And then when we add the other one, this area is what we want the light to be at. And when we reduce the intensity of this one, it goes more flat. And then when we reduce the other one here, now it's good. The goal is to make the lighting as flat as possible with how many lights you have in the studio. As you can see, around me is very well lit, but I'm in the dark. This is okay, this is the first step, this is what we want, because the lighting for the green screen is different from the light that we light the subject with. Make sure you position the subject as far away from the green screen as possible. This way you eliminate the spill. A spill is the light that comes back and hits the subject from the green screen. We don't want that. We did some tests earlier to show you how customizable is this setup. If you want a night shot or a day shot, you can light it however you want. So to summarize, make sure your green screen cloth is as smooth as possible and separate the lights for your green screen and your subject, and with proper placement for your camera and the subject, your shot will be ready for perfect keying. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe comment if you have any other questions. See you in the next video.